Hey guys, welcome to another RYOUTfitters First Look. I'm Matt, and this week we're going to be checking out Kettle and Fire. Doing soup this week. Yeah. Let's go. Kettle and Fire makes awesome bone broths and soups. Their soups are made from their bone broth. They're really bone. It all starts with bone broth. Now, bone broth is different than stock. This isn't just, it's not stock. It's not stock stuff. It's bone broth. There is a difference. The difference is that bone broth is simmered for like 20 hours plus. You get way more nutrients out of it. You get all the collagen, aminos from the actual bones themselves. You know, bone broth. It's broth primarily made with bones. Kettle and Fire's bone broths are delicious, nutritious, and ready to eat in seconds. I mean, you could just even eat it right out of the box. Wouldn't recommend it. Hot soup is better. They're packed with collagen, protein, and amino acids, and arguably more importantly, they are incredibly delicious. Actually, no, that is way more important. The health is a plus. I mean, depending on who you're talking to. Talking to me, all about the flavor, baby. Kettle and Fire is the perfect marriage of nutrition and flavor. Flavor that'd make Guy Fieri's head spin. Flavor Town. As you can see, they have a bunch of different products to choose from. They have their classic bone broths, and they also have some pre-made soups if you want something a little heartier. If you're on the go, going camping, and you're lazy. You don't have to cook on a campfire stove. Got them. All of their bone broths and soups are made from premium ingredients and carefully crafted to deliver the highest quality nutrition possible. Their broths are made with the best whole ingredients, no BS, using grass-fed, grass-finished cattle bones, pasture-raised chicken bones, organic veggies, and spices. And they never, ever use artificial ingredients, preservatives, or any kind of weird additives. No weird mumbo jumbo. Better ingredients means a better diet, and a better diet means an improvement on a whole lot of aspects of your life. Collagen alone is extremely important and something that will lead to better gut health, healthier skin, better hair, real nice hair. See, all comes full circle. Now I know we talk about gear a lot of the time and outdoorsy things on our first looks, but honestly, for anyone who's trying to live a healthier lifestyle, for anyone who's going camping and just needs to grab some food and go, Kettle and Fire is incredible. It's easy to eat. You can eat in minutes. You can heat it over a campfire. All these are great on the go, super nutrient dense, and absolutely delicious. Kettle and Fire's bone broths even satisfies the strictest of diets. They're non-GMO, gluten-free, Whole30 Approved, and Keto and Paleo Friendly. Great friends to have. And on top of that, they have some incredible flavors like their mushroom chicken, beef chili with beans, and turmeric ginger for bougie. Then they got the classics, like chicken bone broth, then classic beef bone broth. Of course, I'm the classic guy. Huh. You know what? You know how you open stock? Like a pack, you know how if you open a box of stock, it kind of smells weird? This really already just smells like soup. Let's see how convenient it is on the go. Oh, that's actually not that bad cold. Yeah, but I'm gonna heat this up. All right. Why did I boil it for so long? Towels, because it's hot. It's piping hot. Where do you think piping hot came from? Piping hot. Okay, we've hit a sweet spot. It's not that hot anymore. Baby Yoda would approve. It's like a light beef flavor. Still kind of packs a wallop. Neutral enough where you can just chug it down, really. Kind of thing that would be kind of great on its own, but also really good if you like throw some veggies in it. Oh, more. Okay. Yeah, let's do it. Unless... No, we're going mushroom chicken. Okay. I'll be right back. Round two. Okay. All right. All right, mushroom chicken. I've never heard of a mushroom chicken before. Get it? I'm hilarious. It's like chicken broth, but with like, you know, which I like because you can just drink it, which I really like. For anyone who's jealous and maybe wants some broth of their own, got a coupon code. Kettle and Fire gave us a coupon code to our viewers, 20% off. You can find it in the description. Get on it. Beyond amazing bone broths, Kettle and Fire has a ton of recipes too. If you want to spice it up, make something a little cooler, go for it. That's it for our first look of Kettle and Fire's delicious bone broths. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Like, subscribe, all that stuff. I'm gonna eat all this bone broth now.